Welcome to Learn French. Learn French is an easy and fun way to learn the French language.
Les moyens de transport.
Je vais à Paris. En avion. En voiture. En train. À vélo. En bateau. En bus. À moto.
So what is the difference between using on and a? Think of that for a little while. I will give you the answer now. You might have guessed right. We use on when we are in a means of transport where we go inside it, where there is a door that we open and then we go inside. This is why we have en avion, en voiture, en train, en bus, et en bateau. But if it's just we ride that moyen de transport and we are like mounting it in a way, so it will be à accent grave, à vélo, à cheval, à moto. You might find different explanations in other books and articles, but I think this is the simplest one. I hope this was helpful. Bon courage!